Hey guys, so in this video I just wanted to talk about how I made $5,000 doing something, promoting something that I love. And truth be told, I'm just under 5,000. It's at $43.94. Somebody actually refunded a product that they bought, so it took it down by $100. But trust me, when I cross that 5K mark here real soon, I'm going to be making a video just dedicated to that. So I couldn't stay in the office all day. It's super nice and sunny here, so I'm just going to wander around by the front and take a look and see what life is like outside while we're on lockdown. But as far as making the money that I made there, we're hitting the $4,394. That was through techniques that I learned from taking the One Funnel Away Challenge. And when I say taking the One Funnel Away Challenge, it was taking the One Funnel Away Challenge 2 times. The first time I failed out miserably. I just kind of got discouraged and a little bit behind after, I think it was like the first 2 weeks, and then just kind of flamed out after that. But then I was like, you know what? I'm going to take it again because it was only $100. And I'm like, okay, this training is ridiculously cheap. So I'm going to go for it. I'm going to commit and I'm going to get through this. Right. And that's what I did. It was tough that second time there, but I got all the way through it, went through all the lessons, watched all the stuff, took all the action steps that I needed to take, and went and launched my funnel, and then got my One Comma Club award. But it was the lessons that I learned in there about offer creation. That is some of the most valuable information, training that you'll possibly get your hands on when it comes to affiliate marketing. And that's what made me, my $43.94. And now that I'm closing in on 5,000, because they explain how to take a product, right? Take that product and look at it and just kind of figure out what are the either the problems of that product that somebody might get if they were to just unbox that product right in front of them, or what are some false beliefs that someone might have about that product, right? And by addressing those, you can go and essentially create an affiliate product, like bonuses for that affiliate product that you're promoting, that will make people just absolutely go crazy for it. They will look at it and say to themselves, like, I'm going to buy this product, so why would I go and buy it without getting all these awesome bonuses? Why would I buy just the product? And I know this for a fact because I've had people go and buy products based on my affiliate bonuses, right? I know this because I emailed them once they actually signed up. I like to, just get a little bit of feedback and kind of bounce the ball to them, as I like to put it. And when they forwarded on the receipt saying, hey, I bought this product, can I get access to these bonuses? I would email them and say, like, for sure, here's access to your stuff. And then PS, like, hey, why did you choose this product, or why did you go through my affiliate link? And one of the person said, like, I knew I was going to buy this product, I knew I was going to spend this money, and your bonuses, like, I figured it would have been silly to not get the bonuses. So, right? So it is absolutely, those techniques, that trick is absolutely 100% what made me, almost $5,000 with affiliate marketing. So those lessons in the One Funnel Away Challenge, even though I failed the first time, it was worth it going through it 2 times because, I was able to take the stuff and apply it. So you should too. Go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge. And you can check out, I've got all the stuff detailed in case studies, so you can actually read more, learn more about what I was actually talking about in this video here today. So thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.